Ever noticed how some guys look ordinary on paper but somehow turn heads everywhere they go? It's not magic, it's not money, it's not a secret skincare routine whispered in luxury spas. It's something far simpler and more powerful. Because, let's be honest, we've been lied to about what makes a man attractive. You don't need a movie star face or a jawline sharp enough to slice bread. Real handsomeness lives in how you carry yourself, not what you're born with. And once you understand that, you'll realize you've had the power all along. So let's talk about 7 quiet habits that make you magnetic without you even trying. Pay attention because one of these might just change the way the world looks at you. 1. Your posture tells a story before your mouth ever opens. Walk into a room with your shoulders slumped and the world sees hesitation before you say a word. But walk in tall, spine straight, chin up, chest open, and suddenly people treat you differently. You look like someone who knows who he is. You don't need to puff your chest out like a peacock, just move like a man who belongs. The magic? You'll not only look confident, you'll feel it. Your brain responds to your posture, your hormones shift, and suddenly your mood follows your body. Try it right now. Lift your head a little. Notice that instant difference? That's power you've been giving away for free. 2. Let's talk about sleep, the most underrated beauty treatment known to man. We glorify grinding till 2 a.m. like it's a badge of honor, then wonder why we look like we've been in a boxing match with life. Sleep isn't weakness, it's self-respect. It's when your body quietly repairs everything the day tried to break. Look at Olympic athletes. They sleep religiously because they know recovery builds performance. You want clear skin, bright eyes, and that rested, I've got my life together energy? Guard your sleep like it's your last paycheck. Turn off your phone, stop doom scrolling, and give yourself the gift of rest. It's free, but it'll make you look like you paid for a glow-up. 3. Grooming. The small details that silently scream, I care. You don't need a designer haircut or gold-plated cologne. Just consistency, clean nails, fresh breath, hair that looks like it's met a comb this week. A subtle scent that says, I've got standards, not I'm trying too hard. Think of David Beckham when he first started. Not the fame, but the discipline. Every detail in place. Not to impress others, but to represent himself well. Grooming isn't vanity, it's respect. People can tell when you take care of yourself. It tells them how you'll treat everything else in your life. 4. Eye contact. Simple, but deadly effective. There's something magnetic about a man who looks people in the eyes when he speaks. It signals confidence, focus, truth. When you can hold someone's gaze without flinching, you tell the world, I'm not hiding. But most men avoid it. They stare at the ground, their phone, anywhere but the person in front of them. Practice looking into someone's eyes long enough to notice their eye color. That's the sweet spot. Not creepy, not forced, just present. Eye contact isn't dominance, it's connection. And the moment you master it, you'll notice people lean in when you talk. 5. How you move matters more than you think. Grace beats brute force every single time. Ever watch Keanu Reeves walk into a room? Calm, controlled, effortless. He's not rushing. He's not trying to prove anything. That's what composure looks like, and it's mesmerizing. The way you move tells people how much control you have over yourself. Slow down your pace, be deliberate, let your actions have rhythm. Confidence isn't loud, it's steady. The man who walks calmly commands more respect than the one who stomps around trying to show strength. 6. Purpose. The invisible force that changes your face without touching your skin. You've met those men who glow even in plain clothes. Their eyes burn with something deeper. That's purpose. It's magnetic. It's why artists, builders, dreamers, and visionaries always draw attention. They radiate direction. Look at Elon Musk or Denzel Washington. They don't walk like men searching for approval. They walk like men chasing something that matters. You don't need to have life figured out, but you need to be building something. Purpose gives structure to your energy, and that's what people feel. When you talk about what you love, your face changes. You light up. That spark. That's true attractiveness. 7. Kindness is the rarest form of power. You can have the body, the money, the style, but if you treat people like furniture, your charm evaporates. The men people remember are the ones who made them feel seen. Real kindness isn't about being nice to get something. It's strength under control. It's the ability to make people feel safe in your presence. Think of Fred Rogers or Keanu Reeves again. Quiet, kind, unbothered. They didn't need to shout their worth. Their energy spoke for them. Kindness, mixed with quiet confidence, is a force that never fades. So, smile more. Give that compliment. Listen when someone talks. You'll be surprised how much more magnetic you become when you genuinely care. Here's something nobody tells you. Handsomeness is not a chase. It's a reflection. It's the mirror image of how you treat yourself and others. When you fix your posture, protect your sleep, clean up your habits, move with grace, live with purpose, and lead with kindness, you start to glow from within. People may not even realize what changed. They'll just feel drawn to you. Now, imagine this. 90 days from now, you walk into a room and the same people who overlooked you before can't quite explain why you look different. Your confidence feels heavier. Your energy feels grounded. You didn't buy a new wardrobe, you built a new presence. And that's the truth most people miss. You don't need to wait for a perfect haircut, a new gym body, or another paycheck to start being attractive. You can start right now with what you already have. The transformation begins in how you show up for yourself. So here's a challenge. Pick one of these habits and start today. Stand taller. Go to bed on time. Clean up your space. Make eye contact with the next person you talk to. Or better yet, drop in the comments which habit you're starting with. I want to see who's actually serious about leveling up. And if this hit home, don't just scroll away. Like the video so more people can find it, subscribe if you're building this version of yourself, and share it with someone who needs that reminder. Because at the end of the day, looks fade, but energy, the kind built from discipline, kindness, and purpose, that never fades. You're not missing anything. You're just not using what's already within you. Start today and watch how the world starts to see the man you've been all along.